Hello, my name is Ana Garcia and I live here in Southern California in the city of Fullerton. I'm gonna be showing you a demonstration of how I function as a blind person using assistive technology for the blind. I've been blind for nearly 20 years now. The eye condition that I have is called retinitis pigmentosa. It's a retina disease, and I lost my vision gradually throughout the years. One way that I've been able to function in the everyday life, I guess, in different ways in my life, is by using a computer with a program called Just for Windows, which is a software that is installed into the computer, and that has helped me to be able to go to school. I am currently working on my master's, so using the JAWS program has been the way for me to do research using the internet, typing papers, reading my textbooks, and for work also. I have worked in different locations where I have used the JAWS program and a special technology for the blind. Most of this technology is audio technology, and I wanna show you how I've been using this not only for school but for the everyday life, just typing papers, reading books, newspapers. I'm gonna be showing you. We the blind do not, when we use JAWS, we do not don't turn on the monitor. So I usually have my monitor off because we do not use the mouse. We use a combination of hotkeys to jump from one place to the other. For a sighted person, you use the mouse to click on whatever you want to go to. We use a combination of hotkeys. For example, this is how Just for Windows sound.
Title is Google-Windows Internet Explorer.
Thank you. I do insert T, and that reads what's on my screen, so that way I know where I am.
Title is Google-Windows Internet.
It sounds a little different, but we get used to it. I can make it speak fast or slow, and it has different voices. It could be female or male or grandpa, grandma. So this is the voice that I prefer.
Title is Google-Windows.
Okay, so currently I am on my Google, on the page of Google. If I want to go and research, just find a web page, for example, I do Control-O.
Control-O, open dialog. Type the internet address of a document or folder, and Internet Explorer will open it for you. Open :edit.
It tells me that it's open, so I'll type in the Fullerton.edu address.
Fullerton.edu.
I press enter.
3%, 100%. California State University, Fullerton.
Okay, so I hear that it says California State University of Fullerton. For a sighted person, you click on the link you want to go to. We do not click because we're not able to use the mouse, so we use one of the shortcuts. It's insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view. California State.
So it lists my links, and then I just arrow down.
Is this secure? Forgot password. Home. Current students.
Current students.
Alumni.
And then I just click on the link that I want to go, and it'll take me to
3%.
whatever link I want to go. Okay, so
Escape.
that's how I've been able to do research for schoolwork. And I also, this is the way I communicate with my instructors, with friends, just using my email.
Alt list view. Outlook Express message list. Attachment marker.
This is my inbox. A lot of people ask me how I communicate with instructors and friends, or how do I read my emails when they receive an email from me. It's just the same, but listening to everything I type. This is my inbox. I'm going to arrow down to go over some emails that I already read.
Steve Sutta, hello, NSF, attachment enter 14 and out. Marie Cole in progress.
Okay, so those are emails that I got from some
Paul, Elizabeth, Marco Ramirez.
Friends. Marco, one of my classmates, that is an email that he sent me. I'll just click on the
enter,
press enter.
colon question about handout from colon space.
So that is the email he sent me, and I'm going to read it. Doing insert to.
-- forwarded message -- from colon Engler -- Carlson. Let's send mail period.
So that's my email, and again, I use shortcuts to send an email. Like if I want to send an email, I'll do Control
N, new message, the colon edit, new message.
Control End. It says to new message to, and then I'll just type to whoever I send it. I'm gonna escape.
Escape. FWD colon question of escape. Inbox dash outlook.
Okay, escape. Now, if I want to use my Microsoft,
Desktop.
just type a paper for class, I'll go to the start menu.
Control escape. Start menu. Word processing sub menu. Internet. Word processing sub.
I hear word processing. I
Microsoft Office Word 2007.
hear Microsoft Word 2007. I press enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Document 1 dash Microsoft Word. Print view. Edit.
Okay, so I have a clean new document where I can start typing. I'm gonna type my name.
A space GARZHHY space CAL space TATE space FULLERTON space.
I type in Anna Garcia, Cal State Fullerton. If I wanna go back and read it.
Anna Garcia, Cal State Fullerton. Anna Garcia, Cal State Fullerton.
Okay, Cal State Fullerton.
Enter.
This is how I usually type my papers. I have my phone documents. If I want to make a phone call or just write down a telephone number, I'll just type it on the document, and then I'll just make the phone call or type in my paper, and just like anybody else using the mouse to write a paper. So, and then I'll just print it. I have a regular printer, just like anybody else, but I also have a Braille Embosser, which is a Braille printer. So if I want, I can print my paper on Braille, and that's the way sometimes I take notes just to study in class. I also have my laptop. This is my laptop. This also has the JAWS program, so I can take it to school or to work or anywhere I'm going to, and I'm able to use my JAWS. So that's very helpful. Without JAWS, I don't think I would have been able to be in the graduate program right now and be able to write my books, my papers, and read my books. I have my books on usually on electronic text, so I use the computer also to read my textbooks most of the time. I have a CD already in the computer.
Windows N.
So I'm gonna show you how I read my books.
MSN install. Magic Chat. My documents. My computer.
I'm gonna click on my computer.
Enter. My computer. Folder view. List view. Not selected.
I arrow down.
OS left. The gift of ...
I'm gonna click on my book that is called The Gift of Therapy.
Oh, the gift of ... left parent D colon right parent. Enter. Folder view. List view. Not selected.
Okay.
The gift of therapy. 1 of 2. Copyright. The gift of enter.
I click enter. And the program, of course, is not
Folder view. List view.
100% accurate.
02 text. 01 front. Enter.
Okay.
Folder view. List view. Not selected. Chapters 11-20.rt. Enter.
Okay.
Document 1 dash...
Chapter 11
Chapters
to
11-20.rtf
21.
left parent read dash only right parent left bracket compatibility mode right bracket dash.
Okay, and I'm gonna do insert tool to read the chapter. And
Page 37, chapter 11, blank.
I can make it go slower.
The therapeutic act, not the therapeutic act, not the therapeutic word. Take advantage
Okay.
of opportunities to learn from patients. Make a point of inquiring often into the patient's view of what is helpful about the therapy process. Earlier I space
Okay,
therapy.
so that's how I read my books. And so without the JAWS program and using a lot of different technology, I don't think I would have been able to do all of these. But I'm gonna share with you more in my next video in YouTube.